puppy? When you open your mouth, does it make that mouth open?
Yeah.
I don't know, because
Hey, don't force it. Don't force it. No, it does, but it's not tight enough on his head.
Yeah, it's not adjusted right.
No, move your hand. You got it.
That reminds me of when you're feeding the baby the food, you're like, oh my god.
No, fix it. You're